Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Areeba drawing tutorials. I am drawing a simple village scenery, so let's draw with me. Here I'm using a simple 2HB pencil. You can use any pencil or pointer you are comfortable with. As these are beginner scenery, so these are very easy and there are no restrictions regarding these drawings. So stay tuned and watch my drawing. First of all, I'm drawing some houses just like this, one beneath and the other at a little far distance, just like this. So now I'm drawing a tree left of the house, just like this. I thank all my viewers from Bangladesh, Pakistan, Indonesia and Malaysia for being on my videos and learning from me. And don't forget to comment on my video and don't forget to subscribe. So I'm drawing bushes in the back, and now I'll be drawing some mountains in the back, just like this. And here I'm using a simple drawing paper. You can use a rough drawing copy or you can use a pad, notebook, anything. Now I'm drawing some birds in the sky, a sun, and now drawing a path towards the house. So stay tuned, watch till end and learn. Allah Hafiz.